Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy and sell options on Webull desktop. First, ensure your Webull account has options trading enabled. This usually involves an application process. Once approved, navigate to the stock you wish to trade options on. You will then find the options chain, which displays various contracts. We will explore how to interpret this data, including understanding strike prices and expiration dates to prepare for your first trade. Now let's place a trade. After selecting a stock, click on the Options tab to view the options chain. Decide if you want to buy a call, betting on a price increase, or a put, anticipating a decrease. Pick your desired strike price and expiration. Then specify the number of contracts you wish to trade and choose an order type, like a limit order, to control your entry price. Once your order is filled, you can monitor your open positions in the Positions tab. Here, you will see your current profit or loss, allowing you to track performance. When you decide to exit a trade, simply select the position and choose to close position. This will automatically create an opposing order to sell your contracts, helping you lock in gains or limit losses. Beyond basic calls and puts, Webull offers tools to explore more advanced strategies, such as credit spreads or iron condors, which can be tailored to various market outlooks. Take advantage of their robust charting and analytical features to refine your trading decisions. Remember to always manage your risk effectively. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.